What's up everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add sections to pages on your Shopify store in order to further customize it to your likings. So let's get right to it. First of all, as you can see here, I'm on my Shopify homepage and my store name is displayed right here. This is like a trial store or trial version of Shopify that I created for this tutorial. And now let's go ahead and do so. So if you go to your online store and view it, here I have very basic online store. I haven't edited that much in the theme. I have only added a product. So if you want to edit your theme, so let's click to close this pop-up, and let's go ahead to the online store and click on it. And in the themes here page, we want to click on the customize theme option. Here I'm on the Dawn theme. However, this should apply to any recent theme that you choose. So let's click on customize here. And here, if we go to here, it's the theme editor. If we navigate to any page, so here in the pages we have a default page and a contact page here. So here, if we go to the home page, you can see here that we have a template with the image banner and the featured collection, okay, or the featured product. Now what you want to do here is to go to pages, and from here you want to create a template. So click on create a template to add your different sections to this template, and then assign this template to any page on your Shopify store. So let's click on create template here, and let's name it test template. Create template. And here you can add your different sections. So here you have a like header, and in the template itself you can click on add section, and here you have the footer. So let's click on add section. You can add a section for featured collection, featured product. So let's add a featured product section here, and in this section we can edit or add blocks to this section. So you can add a text, SKU, icon with text, and so on. So in this featured product here, if we click on it, we can select the product. So let's select our basic shirt so that it is the product that gets displayed. Okay, select, and you can edit also the theme. So let's make it this one, okay, in blue. Okay, I like it. Now here we can also add other sections such as rich text, collage, slideshow. So let's add a slideshow as well. Here you have like 2 images, and you can change the settings for each section. So for the slideshow, let's make it a grid or a full width. Okay, slide height large, so let's make it big or small. Okay, that's looking good. Now we can edit some more settings. Okay, for now let's go on. And here you can also add sections for the header or the footer. So let's add a section in the footer. Here you can add some set sections. Now let's add another section in the template itself. So let's add you can add multi-column, collage, so a collection of photos. You can add a blog post, a page, a video, a contact form, an email sign up. So let's say you want to add an email sign up to let the visitors of your website sign up for your like email newsletter. And if you click here on it, you can edit the text and the scheme as well. So let's change it to be in black. And here we can edit the top padding size and the bottom padding size to make it a bit smaller. And let's go back, and here click on the text, subscribe to our email. So let's make it like to our newsletter. Okay, the heading size, small, medium, large. Okay, looking good. And you can also edit the other section, elements in the section as well. So let's say we edited the sections or added the sections that we want, and this is the template that we want to, and this is how we would like our template to look like. Now let's click on save here, and this template will be saved. Now this template will not be shown on any page. So if we exit the editor and if we go to our store here, let's click on the eye to view it. Now in the pages, in the like catalog and contact page, we will not see this template, we will not see those elements that we added, the slideshow and the featured product that we added and so on. So to do so, let's go, or to add the to apply the template on our different pages, let's go to our store and go to our online store, and instead of clicking on the themes, we want to click on the pages right here, and here we have the contact page. Okay, let's click on it to edit it, and we can rename it. And what we want to do is to select the theme. So here the default theme, we have the contact and we have the test template. So if we choose test template and we click on save, okay, now the page is saved. If we go now to our online store and then click on the contact page here, okay, nothing has happened. Sometimes it'll take a moment or two to just load up the settings in the back end of our Shopify store. Now let's wait a bit. Okay, let's go back to our home, go to our online store, view it, and click on the contact page. And now, as you can see here, the elements that we added are now visible. So the featured product, the slide, and the newsletter or the email subscription form. So these elements are now added, and we can add them once we save the template. We can add them to any page or on our website. Here I have only the like default pages that are available on any website. I haven't added any pages. However, once you add any page to your website or to your online store, you should be able to apply this theme, and it will apply all these settings. Now, if we close it and we go to our online store and we go here to themes and we customize the theme, we can go ahead and view in the pages. We will have the test template here visible, and it's assigned to one page. So if we click on it, we can edit it however we want. Let's say we do not want to use this slideshow anymore, so we want to remove this slideshow section. So if we click on it here and we click on the three dots, we can duplicate it, we can hide it, or we can remove it. So let's remove it now, the slideshow section. Okay, this removed only the slide, so we should go to the slideshow here. Sorry, we should delete it from here, delete the section from here, and now the section is deleted. Now if we save the settings that we made and we go back to our home page, and in the online store go to view and go to the contact page on which we applied the theme, here now you can see that the slideshow is now invisible or removed. So you can edit the theme as you wish, and you can create as many themes as you like to apply them to any pages that you like. So that's how easy it is to add custom sections or edit and apply themes to different pages on your Shopify store.